Mentagasngi ka khat pratrik unaiwe menteri rangba ke jela konrad ke sangma ulale jingo ya yeng mane ke balang ublei hak walapati ke bala syak bamdo ke ding hak step jongosngi ublei hado bakala kala depai hakne ke jingjia arngot sikurim kata ikong reliable lalu nyopos nam badba ti yameren basai moy san pesan snam kila klat namar ke jingkem ding ke yeng jungki kebedan hasenda kane ke yeng mane beplu kayeng mani ke belatai kumpa shis pas nam ke balang ublei hak walapati shillong kala kala depai na gajing bamdu keding.
Of course, it was very saddening to see what happened. Very unfortunate, what has happened, and definitely a very great loss, not only to the church and all the believers there, but also to I think Shillong city as a whole, and in fact for the Meghalaya state as a whole. So our prayers are with all the members of the church, and also our prayers are with the members of the bereaved family, the couple that also lost their life. That also was very unfortunate, and I went today to meet the family members and pay my respects to them. I also had gone to the church to see the overall situation, and as I said, it was a very unfortunate thing that happened, and as I said, a big loss to the church and to the people of the state.